unboxing Labubu time. Ito yung Labubu guys. Sabi niya blind box. Ito guys, bag. And mystery box, teddy bear, or Labubu 2 mystery box. Free 1 box. And dito yun ang colors guys. Baby pink guys. Or green. Ganun. I have free guys. So guys, ada free na ng teddy bear. Meron ng free. Meron pa isa. Big guys. Ito yung maliit. Ito yung teddy bear. And meron pa. Open na natin. Oh my god. It's a green. I need it. Oh, it's not breaking. It's like this. Like, wait lang guys. And done. Make it. And next, the mystery box. Okay, paano ito ma-open? Ganun. Ito yung data guys. So, ito yan guys. Di ba nabuksan na. Oh! Oh my god. Let's read it again. Sabi na natin guys. So, wait lang guys. Then guys. Lang guys. Di yun mapakikita guys. Guys. So. Ano to? Ano to? Ano na yan? Oh. Gibit na. Mayroong tape niya. Guys. So, dito guys. Done. Dito guys. Ay! Ito yun guys. Sa isa, meron pang dalawa. Sing-sing guys sila. Meron po akong Labubu guys. Ay, hindi. Ito teddy bear. Bye guys. And teddy bear. Follow. Subscribe and like, comment down below.